If SketchUp is throwing error 1402 and saying it could not open a key, don't worry. This is usually a Windows registry permission issue, and in this video, I'll show you the safest step-by-step way to fix it. We'll start with the easiest solution, then move into the manual registry permission fix, and finally, I'll show you how to check whether antivirus protection is causing the problem. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, let's understand what this error actually means. SketchUp Error 1402 usually appears during installation when Windows blocks the installer from accessing a registry key it needs to update. In simple terms, the installer is trying to make changes, but Windows is refusing permission. That can happen if the installer is not running with enough privileges, if a registry key is locked, or if security software is interfering in the background. The first thing you should try is the Run as Administrator fix. This is the easiest solution, and in many cases, it solves the issue right away. Find your SketchUp 2026 installer file on your computer, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the installer elevated permissions, which it may need in order to write to the Windows registry properly. If the install begins normally after that, great. The problem was just a permissions issue. But if you still see error 1402, then the registry key itself may be locked, and that means we need to fix the permissions manually. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it carefully. The installer error message usually includes a specific registry path, and that path is the exact location Windows is blocking. For example, it may show something under HKEY_LOCAL_MACHINE and then a software folder underneath it. You need to unlock that exact key. To do that, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. In the Run box, type regedit and press Enter. This opens the registry editor. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Once Registry Editor opens, go to the exact registry path listed in the SketchUp Error 1402 message. Take your time here and make sure you click the correct folder because changing the wrong key can cause problems. When you found the folder mentioned in the error, right-click it and choose Permissions. In the Permissions window, click Advanced. Now look for the option that says Replace all child object permission entries with inheritable permission entries from this object. Check that box, then click Apply and OK. This tells Windows to reset the permissions for that registry branch so the installer can access it properly. After that, close Registry Editor and try running the SketchUp installer again as administrator. In many cases, this resolves the error and lets the installation continue normally. If it works, you've successfully fixed the registry permission problem that was blocking SketchUp. If the error still appears, the next thing to check is your Antivirus or Windows Defender real-time protection. Some security tools are very aggressive and can lock registry access to prevent malware from making changes. The downside is that they can also block legitimate installers like SketchUp. To test this, temporarily disable your antivirus and turn off Windows Defender real-time protection just long enough to complete the installation. Then run the installer again as administrator. Once SketchUp finishes installing, immediately re-enable your security software. This is important because you only want to leave it off briefly while troubleshooting. After you turn protection back on, check that SketchUp opens correctly and that the installation completed without further errors. So to recap, if you get SketchUp Error 1402, start by running the installer as administrator. If that doesn't work, open Registry Editor, navigate to the exact key from the error message, adjust the permissions under Advanced, and apply the inheritable permission setting. If the issue still continues, temporarily disable antivirus or real-time protection, then try the installer one more time. Most users will get past the error with one of these steps. If this video helped you fix SketchUp Error 1402, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick software troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to fix SketchUp installation errors on Windows step by step so you can get up and running even faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.